Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. And thank you to everyone who came out yesterday for our TipRanks Top Analyst Live event, where we got to chat with some of the smartest people on Wall Street. It was a really great event. If you didn't have a chance to check it out, it is still available to watch over on the channel. Now, of course, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. All right, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. We are ending the week with U.S. stock futures in the red. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.3%, S&P 500 futures down 0.57%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.92%. Also down this morning is Bitcoin, who's tumbled below the $40,000 mark. Currently at $38,922, the drop comes as Russia's central bank proposed a ban on the mining and trading of cryptocurrencies. It was announced that Mercedes-Benz would be integrating Luminar's Iris LAZR technology into their vehicle platform. This, in turn, will enhance the development of fully automated driving on highways for next-generation Mercedes passenger cars. Along with the partnership, the German automaker will acquire 1.5 million LAZR shares as an equity stake worth around $20.2 million. Commercially, the partnership is a clear win for Luminar. Its Iris LAZR tech is being leveraged as it continues to execute towards series production. The LAZR stock is currently rated a strong buy with a 100% potential upside. Amazon announced the plan to open their very first in-person apparel store, Amazon Style. The store will have men and women's clothing, as well as shoes and other accessories. The Los Angeles-based store should be up and running before the end of the year. Amazon says that the new store combines innovative technology and world-class operations to help customers find what they like. Built around personalization, Amazon Style leverages machine learning algorithms to provide real-time recommendations for each customer. With the tap of a button, customers should be able to send an item they like to the fitting room or straight to the pickup counter. The Amazon stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 37%. Latin America-focused e-commerce and digital financial services tech company Mercado Libre has ramped up its cryptocurrency investments with an investment in 2TM Group. They are the parent company of MercadoBitcoin.com, a leading Brazilian regulated blockchain infrastructure platform, Paxos. The investment details have not been disclosed so far. Mercado Libre's investments reiterate the company's commitment to the development and use of crypto assets and blockchain technology in the Latin America region. Their stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 70%. Digital payments company MasterCard has revealed its next-generation virtual card solution, Track Instant Pay. The new solution uses machine learning and straight-through processing to enable instant payment of supplier invoices. MasterCard's Track Instant Pay is an open-loop B2B network aimed at making the process of business payments automated and more efficient for the buyers and suppliers. The solution leverages the power of machine learning to directly and securely pay a supplier's bank account via MasterCard's virtual card without any manual intervention. The MasterCard stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 19%. And today, Intel is expected to outline their plan on spending $20 billion to build 2 new semiconductor chip factories in Ohio. This investment would create 3,000 jobs and could be the first step of an operation that would include up to 8 factories on the site of New Albany, Ohio. The investment is part of Intel's push to reclaim leadership in the chip sector and better compete against global rivals. It will also help solve the industry's supply problems revealed by the pandemic, which led to a worldwide shortage of chips in this past year. Their stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside of 6%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. And of course, headlines were dominated by Netflix last night after the company failed to meet expectations for revenue and subscribers in their latest quarterly report. Shares dropped about 20%. Their Q4 revenue rose over 16% year over year to $7.71 billion, but did miss the analyst estimates of $7.72 billion. During the quarter, Netflix added 8.28 million global net subscriber members, which was falling short of the consensus estimate of 8.33. In 2021, Netflix added 18 million paid subscribers globally, compared to 37 million added back in 2020. On a positive note, their quarterly earnings did come in better than expected at $1.33 per share, higher than the street's estimates of 82 cents per share. Analysts are a bit mixed on the Netflix stock now, coming in as a moderate buy with an average upside of 7%. Yesterday, we had several price targets reiterated or downgraded between sells and buys. In the pre-market this morning, we've heard from Schlumberger. They reported fourth quarter earnings of 41 cents per share on revenue of $6.2 billion. This came in slightly ahead of analyst estimates, which were 39 cents per share on revenue of $6.1 billion. Their revenue grew 12.5% on a year-over-year basis. Now, let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Peloton, but this is not based on any good news. This is a very slight bounce back after the stock plummeted yesterday when the company announced they would be slashing productions of their bikes. Trading under the ticker PTON, the stock is currently up nearly 6%, following a drop of nearly 24% yesterday. They're followed by Exscientia plc under the ticker EXAI. Their stock is up 5%, following a drop of 9% yesterday. And the ANGI stock under the ticker ANGI, their stock is up 4.95%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Netflix following their earnings report last night. Trading under the ticker NFLX, the stock is currently down about 19.5%. They're followed by the Babylon stock under BBLN, down 9.5%, and Riot Blockchain under the ticker RIOT, down 9.4%, along with the decline in Bitcoin. So that is going to be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.